Salute, glowing beauties, to sexy queen mothers, glowing mature hair, skin, and nails. A DIY red palm oil cream for mature hair. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and hit the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. See you in a minute. Thank you for coming back, glowing beauties, to glowing mature hair, skin, and nails. And so I am going to show you how to make your own DIY red palm oil cream for mature hair. And so what I did, I washed my hair, and I will be giving you a demonstration on how moisturizing this red palm oil hair cream is. This is an organic red palm oil by the company Nutiva, and I will be eyeballing this. Red palm oil is rich in vitamin E. This benefits the hair follicles by promoting cell growth, which results in stronger hair. Vitamin E also decreases graying and falling hair. The saturated fats and lipids make red palm oil the perfect moisturizer for mature hair and skin. This amazing oil has antibacterial properties, creating a healthier environment for your scalp, which promotes hair growth. Our next item is coconut oil. Coconut oil conditions dry, mature hair, which makes mature, dull hair shine. Coconut oil helps mature, thinning hair grow. And since we are at the bottom of this, we will use this spoon. Our next item is shea butter. Shea butter provides moisture for damaged, mature hair from the roots to the very tips, preparing and protecting against dryness and brittle hair. Shea butter rehydrates the scalp without clogging pores. It is particularly beneficial for processed and heat-treated mature hair. So we're going to put a few pieces of the shea butter. The next item is avocado oil. Avocado oil is extremely rich with oleic acid and monounsaturated fats, making it one of a few oils that can actually penetrate the mature hair shaft and moisturize hair without setting on top of the hair. These fats strengthen the hair shaft and help penetrate mature hair. And so, all right. Now I am breaking up the pieces of the shea butter, and I thought I was going to melt it, but it's very, very soft. Everything has been soft tonight. So I'm just now going to break it down, and then we will be using the immersion blender to make it creamy. See how soft everything is? This is why I decided not to put any heat. And so see how creamy everything is, and we haven't even used the immersion blender. So what we have done, we have preserved all the nutrients in the oils and the butter. For our DIY red palm oil cream for mature hair. Spray your equipment with, I make my own cleaning solution with alcohol and herbs. Started the speed on low, and now I moved it up to high. Okay. Since everything was already melted, I didn't have to put any heat on it. Trying to get all that goodness out. Okay, so I already cleaned these out with my cleaning solution. See how nice and creamy that is? Now, if you want it thicker, you can always put it in the refrigerator. And so I do want it to be thicker. So I will be putting it in the refrigerator, and we will be right back with the finished product. Glowing Beauties, thank you for coming back. This is the one that I will be using for myself. These two will be gifts. And so I put them in the refrigerator. And so it's creamy. So you see how it's creamy. And you know, this red palm oil, coconut oil, shea butter, avocado oil, All of those butters and oils are great not only for mature hair, but also for mature skin. And so I told you I washed my hair, and so we are going to test it out and see how it is going to make my hair more manageable. Okay. So I'm putting some, and I'm just going to do one side. And it's always best to massage the scalp. Glowing Beauties, my phone rang. I did not have it on Do Not Disturb. So the footage that I thought I had recorded, I wasn't even filming. But this is after I braided my hair. And as you see, I braid pretty tight. And that might be the cause of some of the breakage. But I have length, which I hadn't had for a while. But now I need to work on volume. And so I will be taking you guys on a journey of growing my edges and of building volume in my hair. Glowing Beauties, thank you so much for watching Glowing Mature Hair, Skin and Nails with Sexy Queen Mother. And today's video is DIY Red Palm Oil Cream for mature hair. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Make sure you comment and share, and share. Glowing Beauties, your hair, skin, and nails will glow as long as you think so.